Let's talk about the classroom, especially technology in the classroom. One of the things that's really challenging is how do we get kids engaged? How do we really rethink learning? How do we make it so that teachers aren't overworking themselves? Hi, my name's Dan Sharp, and I'm one of ViewSonic's professional development trainers. I've been in education for over 12 years with experience in ed tech, coaching teachers, and administration. Today I want to talk about the MyViewBoard ecosystem. It's lots of components that can really help your classroom. Let's start with myviewboard.com. myviewboard.com is really the hub to all of our software. So make sure that you go and sign up for a free account today. From there, you'll see myviewboard.com integrates with the cloud. Whether you're Office 365 or G Suite, you get that instant cloud integration to make sure you have access to all of your content, no matter where you're signed into. Depending on the software that you're using at your school, whether you're a Windows or Android or Mac environment, you can choose your software solution. MyViewBoard for Windows and MyViewBoard for Android are incredible interactive whiteboarding programs that allow you to bring images and content from multiple sources all into one canvas, allowing students to be hands-on with their learning. MyViewBoard for Web is your online mobile solution. It's going to allow students to engage wirelessly with their devices on a whiteboarding platform. MyViewBoard Companion app is the teacher device that allows you to wirelessly control your presentation using photos, laser pointers, clickers, pop quizzes, all sorts of tools. You also get integration with MyViewBoard Classroom. MyViewBoard Classroom is a really easy way to integrate with your Google Classroom and quickly create content and let students interact with it. Finally, MyViewBoard Clips is a solution that allows you to get access to awesome quality video content that's connected to whatever you're teaching. All of these can be used in your whiteboarding software programs so that, again, students can access it and have content to it. Ultimately, the MyViewBoard ecosystem gives you lots of solutions for whatever situation you're in, allowing you to pick what's best for your kids and what's best for you. Did you like what you saw today? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to us on social media. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at myviewboard.com.